Hey guys, it's Perry here and I'm back with another unboxing video. Today I'm going to be opening up and trying on for you guys the Demuan sneakers. So sorry if I'm mispronouncing that, but this is going to be brought to you by Run Run Deals. And if you didn't know this already, Run Run Deals has a super great app that if you download it, you can get access to offers on products a lot like the one that we're going to be opening up today. So I have 4 different colors that I'm going to try on for you guys, and let's just get right into it. So this is how they look. Let's see how they look on the foot. So the sneaker itself is so cute, so flexible, so stylish, and super lightweight. Like, definitely looks like they'd be really easy to run in and stuff. And then I'll show you guys how they look on my foot. This is how they look on foot. So cute. So you can wear them with, like, you know, normal outfits, or you could wear them like to work out in. This is the red. And then let's look at all the other ones. How cute are these though? And then the white. So cute, and they're so comfortable too. Like, I feel like I could literally run a mile in these things. Okay, here's the black ones. So cute, so comfy. And last but not least, the purple. Purple doesn't really go with my outfit too much, but that is okay. Cause just look how cute they are. Like, so comfortable, so athletic, but also stylish. As these can be worn with any number of different outfits. There's so many different colors. They're so affordable, so stylish and modern and cute. Highly recommend them. So make sure and go get yours from Run Run Deals.